Hi moms, I hope you're doing really well. I'm Eshaa, I'm a therapist, I'm a psychologist, and today we're going to talk about loss of identity during motherhood. Maybe there was a band you listen to every morning, maybe you love singing to certain music, maybe you like to paint, maybe you like to read, maybe you love driving by yourself, maybe you love meeting your friends for coffee. So there can be so many things that you felt like added some value to your life and that you enjoy doing. You don't have to let go of your past life. You just have to find a way to make it coexist with your new life. Find the right balance in which both of those things work and you feel satisfied with it. And even if there are things that you feel like you can't do anymore, it's okay to grieve that loss. It's okay to feel sad about it. It doesn't make you a bad mom. It's okay to have a wide range of emotions about motherhood. Just keep reminding yourself, keep showing up for yourself. Remember who you used to be, remember who you can be, and remember that you're doing something amazing. Under all the tired days, under all the exhaustion, you're still there and you can always find a way back. You got this.